Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Alifecxwwy Cordless Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Cordless Design. The pool vacuum robot eliminating tangled wires and hoses, ensuring safer and more convenient operation. It automatically stops at the pool edge when cleaning is complete or when the battery is low, making retrieval easy using the included hook. Powerful cleaning capability. Our pool skimmer robot boasts robust suction power of up to 45,000 PA, thanks to its high-performance quad brushless motor and advanced suction technology. Effortlessly removes dirt, dust, hair, sand, leaves, algae, and other debris from walls and floors. Cleaning modes. Automatic Pool Cleaners offers all-cover mode, floor-only mode, and wall-only mode. Its advanced sensors accurately determine its location in the pool, providing thorough cleaning of the floor, walls, and waterline. Upgraded Pool Robot Vacuum V2. Pool Cleaners for in-ground pools adopts 3D Pro cutting-edge tech to efficiently clean dirt in all kinds shapes of pools for much more than 1.5 hours. With a built-in 7,800 mAh high-capacity battery, the covering area of up to 1,614 square feet. Various applications. Suitable for both in-ground and above-ground swimming pools, this horseless battery-operated pool cleaner vacuum tackles various pool surfaces, including vinyl, tile, concrete, and fiberglass, making it a versatile choice for pool cleaning supplies owner. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.